Farm machinery. Do you know what tools farmers use to do their jobs? Today we will learn the most important farming tools in English and practice with real examples, so stay with me. Orchard tractor. An orchard tractor is compact and designed to work in narrow orchard rows without damaging trees.
The orchard tractor moved easily between the fruit trees.
Potato harvester. A potato harvester is a machine that digs up potatoes from the soil and separates them from dirt and plants. It saves time and labor during harvest.
The potato harvester worked quickly through the field.
Boom sprayer. A boom sprayer is used to spray liquid fertilizers, herbicides, or pesticides over crops using long arms that cover a wide area.
They used a boom sprayer to cover the field with pesticide.
Log splitter. A log splitter is a device that splits logs into smaller pieces, usually for firewood. It works faster than using an axe.
He used a log splitter to prepare firewood for the winter.
Flail mower. A flail mower cuts thick grass, weeds, or even small branches using rotating blades. It's useful for rough or uneven land.
They cleaned the overgrown area with a flail mower.
Milking machine. A milking machine is used to extract milk from cows or goats automatically. It increases efficiency and hygiene.
The farm installed a new milking machine for the cows.
Baler. A baler collects and compresses cut hay or straw into compact bales for storage or transport.
The baler created large round bales in the field.
Hay rake. A hay rake is used to collect and gather cut hay into rows so it can be dried or picked up by a baler.
The hay rake made neat rows of dry grass in the field.
Combine harvester. A combine harvester is a machine that cuts, threshes, and cleans grain crops like wheat and barley in one process.
The combine harvester finished the wheat field in a few hours.
Drip irrigation system. A drip irrigation system delivers water directly to the base of plants through small tubes, saving water and increasing efficiency.
The drip irrigation system helped reduce water usage on the farm.
Crop duster. A crop duster is an aircraft that sprays pesticides or fertilizers over large fields from the air.
The crop duster flew low over the field spraying insecticide.
Livestock trailer. A livestock trailer is designed for safely transporting animals like cows, sheep, or pigs.
The livestock trailer carried the sheep to the market.
Post hole digger. A post hole digger drills holes in the ground for fence posts or poles.
He used a post hole digger to build a new fence.
Rice transplanter. A rice transplanter plants young rice seedlings into flooded fields automatically.
The rice transplanter saved a lot of